My name is Freedom. This is an AI actor in AI Studio on iClone 8, and I created it by using the CC5. From the Character Creator 5 CC5, I already made a 3D avatar, and how to convert any of your CC5 avatar to become an AI actor for the AI Studio in iClone 8 and CC5. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the details step by step how to make this. Let's go. Alright, the first step, you have a CC project. Open with the CC5. Drag and drop the CC project into CC5. And we need to convert it become a CC avatar or iAvatar first. Okay, now I already opened with CC5, the Character Creator 5. At this moment, we need to export as CC avatar. Click File, Export. It can be CC avatar or iAvatar. It is up to you. For this time, I export as iAvatar. Export on my desktop. Name it as female01.iavatar. I click Save. It is going to export as iClone avatar. Now, the iAvatar is already here. Next, go to iClone. In the iClone, go to AI Studio. Then, click Create Actor. From here, we click Start from 3D. Alright, now it opened a Create Actor for iClone.i project. Do not move the camera, do not touch this. What you need to do is just drag your avatar to replace this dummy. Done. Next, we are going to see every of the keyframe. At this moment, press X to make sure you move your 3D avatar's head. Make sure you see the full head in this way. First frame, second frame, third frame, fourth frame. Make sure you see the full head, full face. First frame, second frame, third and fourth. Alright, next, go to the next frame. This is the side face. Right, next is the facial expression. Make sure for all of the face, you can show the whole face. Now is the facial expression. Next frame. Next. Now this is the body. The body shape is okay for this. So next, press Q. So select the hair. Make sure you delete the weight map. Go to the weight map. The weight map, just delete it. Delete the weight map is to make sure when you export the image sequence, the hair won't move. So I close this. Now it's the time to render all of the frame as image sequence. So I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop. The folder name as image sequence. Okay, next I click render the image as sequence, then render as sequence. The output size, you can just follow this, scroll down, only the range, totally 14 frame, 14 picture. Click export, export it on my desktop, image sequence. The file name, I'm going to just name this as female01. I click save. It is going to render all of the 14 images as the image sequence. Alright, next, go to the AI Studio. Next, we are going to import pictures for heads, bodies, and different facial expressions. We are going to just import the pictures one by one. So we are going to open back the image sequence, and then we just drag in one by one. Drag and drop. It is just simple because just now you already export everything, exported just now. Just replace of the original image. And finally, we can just create the AI actor. The actor name, I'm going to just name this as female01. The appearance prompt, you can just type 1. Blonde hair, Asian female, Asian young female. Click create actor. Now you can see it already become an AI actor. If you right click, find the file. This is exactly the female01.iModel. This is the AI actor. And you can just save this, use it anytime when you want. You can just copy this out, everything, and your input data, everything are still here. The data sets, the source of this. And this iModel, this AI actor is ready for your 3D animations and video generations. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to convert any of your CC avatar, the Character Creator 5 avatar, to become an AI actor for your iClone 8 and CC5 AI Studio. And the output file name, the output file type is iModel, which is called the AI actor, which is ready for your 3D animations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials about 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. See you.